Hello. Today we're gonna make a magic 8 ball. We're gonna have people. We're gonna tell people to ask a question, and then they shake their sense hat, and then it gives out a response, just like a magic 8 ball would do. So the first thing we need to do is set up your basic first two lines, and hopefully by now you know that you're doing sense underscore hat. All right, so if we wanted to show a message, I'm going to do just sense.show message, ask a question. We can start running that. And so when I run it, it tells the user to ask a question. Great. And then what we can do is um, have a bunch of replies that we want to occur. And we're going to make a list out of this, so we're going to use a bracket. Now, our replies could be, what do we say? Yes. We could just say no to their question. We could say maybe. We could say uh, you should you should ask again later. Um, you can say don't. Oops, I'm gonna need double quotes for this. Don't bother me. We can say uh, it uh, it will definitely come true. Wonderful. So now we have our responses that are in there, and we want to randomly pick one of those out of there. So we'll have to import random. And so when we're importing random, now we'll do random dot choice from replies, and then we can say, oh, I forgot a double quotes there, and we'll want to print that. So let's say print random dot choice replies. And And it's not a regular print. A print would just go down here. What we need to do is we want to show the message. So sense.show message, one of those replies. So let's run this and see how it's working so far. It's going to say ask a question. And then it says an answer maybe. That works fine, but we didn't really give it people any time to think about it. So let's do a time.sleep. Let's give them 3 seconds or so. And if we do that, we have to import time up here. And that's a good start. And now we got a reasonable amount of time. So ask a question. You can say, will my kids grow up to be millionaires? Wait 3 seconds. Yes, wonderful. My future is set. Uh, but what we could do is, this is just waiting 3 seconds and then going. Instead of doing that, what we could do is have it set to the accelerometer. So, well, instead of time.sleep, we can say while true. First, we'll want to get the x, y, and z from the accelerometer. Sense.get accelerometer underscore raw, and then values. We're going to want to get those values. And then x equals the absolute value of x. So we're just doing this, so we don't care if it's positive g-forces, negative g-forces. We just want to see how far off from from 0 it is. So if x is greater than 1.5, or y is greater than 1.5, or z is greater than 1.5. Now, we'll want to show this message. Otherwise, so if it's anything else, let's just do sense.clear. So now, this won't work on mine because my accelerometer doesn't really work. But we can, if we run it, it's going to ask a question. And what I want you to do is after this, after it's done saying the message, think of a question, randomly shake it, and then see what comes out.